So there we go, guys. That was a short composed solo, worth pointing out that it's composed over the verse changes to Sweet Child of Mine. Now the concept for this is very simple. This goes back to Soloing School, the last Soloing School video that I uploaded, where we're dealing with these three chords, but we're playing off of each one as its own harmonic event. Although they are all in the key of G, I'm actually playing major pentatonic scales off the root of each particular chord. So that would be D major pentatonic, C major pentatonic, and G major pentatonic. Now all of those scales are in the key of G major, but this way we're addressing the chords a little bit more melodically. This is actually for use for a lot of my Skype students. Some of my Skype students, we're dealing with these concepts in more detail, and I'm explaining how to think about these things and visualization concepts to be able to improvise like this. This is just an opportunity for those guys to dig in and learn these. So what I'm going to do now, well actually I want to say thank you to my Patreon supporters. So I'm just going to leave these guys on screen. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut away to a clip of me playing the same solo but at a slower speed, 90 BPM, so you can follow it along a little bit closer, and then I will cut in a backing track for you after that. So if you have enjoyed this lesson, please do hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and let all of your friends know about this channel. And if you really want to be a badass, you can be like these people and check me out on patreon.com, link in the description. Oh, and of course you can hit me up for Skype lessons. So yeah, let's get on with that slow solo. Good luck.